Here we go. The number is divisible by 14 if the given number is divisible by 2 and 7. Take an example here. 1722. It must be divisible by 2 and it must be divisible by 7 also. In 1722, the last digit is even, and you know, for divisibility rule, the number is divisible by 2 if it is even number. Hence 1722 is divisible by 2. Now for 7, we have to take the last 3 digit first, 722, and subtract the remaining digit, that is 1 here. The result will come out 7 to 1, and the result must be divisible by 7 to be complete divisible by 7. 7 × 7. So it is completely gone in 103. So 1722 is completely divisible by 7 also. Hence 1722 is divisible by 14 because it is divisible by 2 and 7. Divisibility rule for 15. Given number is divisible by 3 and 5. Now we take an example. 1845. So it need to be divisible by 3 and it need to be divisible by 5 also. One 845 1845. Here for divisibility rule by 3, we know every digit must be added. So here answer will be 1 plus 8, 8 plus 4 plus 5. It will comes out 18. And you know 18 is divisible by 3. At 6. So 1845 is divisible by 3. Now it is also and must be divisible by 5. For 5, you know the last digit may be 0 or 5. So in 1845 the last digit is 5. Hence it is divisible by 5. So 1845 is completely divisible by 15 because it is divisible by 3 also and 5 also. If you completely divide 15 by 1845, the answer, it is completely divisible by 15. Now it comes to divisibility rule by 16. The number given last 4 digit is completely divisible by 16, or it must be divisible by 2 and 8 also. So we'll go with an example 9, 10, 6, 8. So it is almost the 4 digits. If you divide it by 16, it is gone by 123. Hence 9268 is divisible by 16. But it is also good if you go by 2 and 8. For 8, you know the last 3 digit must be divisible by 8 and 2. So whatever you want, you will go with it. Now the divisibility rule for 17. The given number is completely divisible by 17 if we have to follow these steps. First, multiply the last digit by 5, then subtract it from the remaining digit and repeat it if the result, until the result become more simpler for you and it is divisible by 17. So here's an example 2091. So the last digit is 1. We have to multiply it by 5. And subtracted the remaining digit, that is 209. After subtracting it from 5, the result will comes out 204. So here we easily recognize that it is divisible by 14, divisible by 17, 17 1 is 17, it goes by 2, 17 2 is 34. If you still find it difficult to determine it is divisible by 17 or not, you will go again by the same step. 4 last digit multiplied by 5 and subtract it from remaining digit, that is 20 minus 20, it is 0. And you know, if you divide any number by 0, if you divide 0 by any number, it is 0 by itself, it is 0. So 2091 is divisible by 17, but you have to be fast enough, so you will make it earlier close if you understand this concept. The number is completely divisible by 18 if the given number is divisible by 2 and 9. You know, 2 9s are 18, 2 and 9, so the multiple of 18, so it must be divisible by 2 and 9. Now we take an example here, 2214, so it must be divisible by 2 and it must be divisible by 9 also. As you know, the number is completely divisible by 2 if the last digit is even number. Hence, 2214 is divisible by 2. For divisibility by 9, we have to add each and every digit of a given number. 2 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 4 9. The result will come out 9, and the result must be divisible by 9. So 9 is divisible by 9 at 1. Hence 2214 is divisible by 9, because is divisible because the given number is divisible by 2 and 9 also. Hence it is divisible by 18. The number is completely divisible by 19 if the given number, any number, it is any number. So we have, what we have to do, we have to follow the some steps. First we have to multiply the last digit by 2 with 2 and add it to the remaining number and repeat it until the result is simple enough to be divisible by 19. So let's take an example here. 1 3 4 3. 3 is the last digit number and we have to multiply it by 2. And then we have to add the remaining digit. The remaining digit here is 134. Your answer will comes out 134 plus 6, it is 1140. As you know, you find it difficult to divide it by 19, so we have to make it more simple. Now the result is 1140. Again, last digit is 0. We have to multiply it by 2, then add it to the remaining number, that is 114. 0 multiplied 2 is 0, so answer will come out 114. If again find it difficult to divide by 19, make it more simple. Again, multiply last digit by 2, then add it with remaining number 11. So 11 plus 8 is 19, and you know 19 is divided by 19, and it is the last and least the result, that is, you know, is completely divisible by 19. Hence 11343 is divisible by 19. Last but not the least of the video, the divisibility rule for 20. The last or 3 digit must be even number and in multiple of 10. Like 20, that is even number and multiple of 10. 40, even number 4 and multiple of 10. 60, 6 is even number and multiple of 10, and it goes like that. So we here also take an example like 314 0. So you know the last 2 digit is in multiple of 10, and the 10th digit is 4. So you know 40 is divisible by 20 by 2.
Like, share and subscribe for their competition examination and basic mathematics.